Hello, Mr. Eric, Mr. Ryan.
Hello, Mr. Teacher. No, Mr. Jukwa.
Well done, okay? So how about today I give you a very big list. And let's say the list consists of zeros, yes? And ones. But once it becomes one, and then you'll be all ones, okay?
Yeah.
So you'll be separate between 0 and 1s.
Yeah.
But the thing is, you don't know. You don't know. So this is the first index, 1. Okay, let's say 1. Okay, and this is n. You know the size is 1 and n. Okay?
Yeah, the size.
Yeah, and then you can have a function to call it like check.
Checklist.
Check if given an integer a, then if it's you will return the value of 0 and or 1. Okay, given if you check, look, this check 1 is 0. Okay?
Check 0 is 1.
Check 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is 1. Okay? So your task is to use this check function to find first one.
I understand.
Yeah?
Why
So in this case, you need to give me the
understand why
1,
check
2, 3,
5
4,
is
5.
1.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Because this is the first time it becomes 1. Okay?
Yeah.
I don't want you to give me the 4 because it's 0. I don't want you to give me 6 because it's the second one. I want you to give me 5. Any idea how to do that?
So we just draw a list and then check which number.
Define, let's say,
Check.
first bet, okay? Bet.
Bad.
First bet. And then let's call it n, okay? We are given this n, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so now, normally what would you do?
You just count it from 1.
So you just say, okay, if this is 1, 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 then return, yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
So how would you do that? For I in range 1 n plus 1, okay? You know why it's n plus 1?
You go 1 each time.
N plus 1 means the final version, final thing we want to check is n, right? It's always minus 1 of this number. And now what do we do? If check what? If you check,
A.
there's no A, come on.
I.
Yeah, well done. And then return what?
That's not how you do an I.
Okay, return what?
Return I.
Well done. Okay?
Yeah.
That's it. So this is, what's the term capacity?
O-N. N.
O-N, yes.
Yeah.
O-N, why is O-N? Because in
Because-
the worst case, look, wait.
We're talking about another tool.
In the worst case, N and only the the first bet will be the last one, yeah? Then you need to check it. You need to check how many times? N times, right?
Yeah.
Because all are 0. Can we do something better? This is O and this is too slow. If you plot this is N, right? The time is like that, right? Yeah, this is because the n is a million and you need to check in the worst case a million times, which is too slow.
Yeah.
Can we use the binary search?
Stretching exercise.
Can we use the binary search? Sorry?
Stretching exercise.
Can we use the binary search? Yes? Look,
I guess so.
look, n. So this is the left. First of all, we have a left, we have a right. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, what's the middle? Middle is somewhere here, yeah?
Yeah. Somewhere.
So if the middle is 0, what does it mean? If the check middle is 0, what does it mean? So where should I go to look?
If check middle is 0.
Yes.
You
Where's the answer? Where is the answer? Is it in the left part or in the right part? If it's 0, check middle is 0. The answer is in
left. No, right.
If it is 0, of course it's in the right half, right? Because it's 0.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So if the answer is 1, where's the answer? If check middle is 1.
Left.
That because we are not sure if it's the first one, right?
Do the
Because all others will be the ones, yeah? Yeah, so
do the coding.
not yet, wait. So when check middle is 1, then what we do? We do this right will become mid minus 1, right? If it's check middle is 0, so it's in the right hand side, right? So left will become what?
Become right.
Mid plus 1. Okay, come on. Not just guessing. Okay. Okay, let's do this coding. Not yet. Here. Okay, define first bed. Okay.
Bad.
And
The bad man.
left, right, 1 n. Okay.
Need
1
the
n.
dot at the top of that end.
Okay, let this way. Right n. Okay, then y left smaller or equals right. Mid equals what?
Mid equals left. Plus right.
Then what? Middle. What's the middle? How to calculate the middle? 10 and 12, 20. What's the middle?
Oh, 15.
15. So what's the
And
here?
you 15. Left times right divided by 2.
Left plus right divided by 2. Okay? Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so if now here a bit. If you tell me, okay, if check mid is 1, what should I do here? Else, what should I do here? And return what? Okay? There's 3 things you need to fill in. Here, here, and here. If the middle is 1, so where is the answer going to be?
In the left.
Left hand side. So what? Then we need to set the right bound to the middle minus 1, right?
Yeah.
This is okay. I know what's here. If it's in the right hand side, if this is 0,
Left equals. I can see. Mid add 1.
well done. And then return.
Well done.
When left is no longer smaller than right, so where is the answer? Return left, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so that's it. Do the coding.
Yes.
Do the coding.
Yay. It's completely
Okay,
dark
can you sit
now.
please? Sit there, please. Can you sit, please? I need to don't.
We don't need a chair sit.
I know. I just need to. Okay.
Here.
Wait.
Later we'll do a dance. Yeah.
Sorry.
Later we'll do a dance.
Okay, then you need to be good boy now. So is it clean? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So this seems very clear. Yeah, let me check the video. Just make sure everything is all right. Don't shake. If you're shaking, I can see the screen is shaking, which is very blurry. So we don't want that, right? So can you just sit quietly, and then let's do the coding. Okay. Let's do this one first. Bad.
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 Why?
Bad apple. Okay. Let's say bad apple.
Why is it bad apple? Why is it called bad?
Because
A bad boy.
I don't know. Let's say look apples. That's
Apple.
0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then let's do the 1, 1, 1, 1, okay?
1 KL.
So look, if let's do this first version, okay? Let's do a check function, right?
Check left.
Check. Let's do this. Let's define a function. What happened?
I didn't turn it off. Wait.
Wait.
I was just here. I was here.
You are doing this. That's why it's turning off. Come on. Can you be good boy? sorry about that. Just give me a second to put it on, okay?
That was unbelievable.
I know. Please, can you be quiet? Every time you're here, everything's strange happening. Yeah. Okay. Luckily, we are back.
That
Yeah. Okay. Good.
bit
Still good.
dark.
Still good.
Yeah.
Still good. Let me check.
Anyone can see me?
No.
I can.
Okay. Now it's better. Now it's better.
Better. Back
Okay.
on track.
Good. No shaking. No shaking. Define check. Okay. Then given the number n.
0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1,
Okay.
1, 1.
And then look. Then we return apples n. Okay. Actually, it will be n minus 1 because the index starts from 0 and then we are given from the I. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Okay. So let's see. Can you? Yes, please. Can you find bad 1 version 1? Okay.
Why is it bad?
Yeah, I don't know. Find version 1. Let's do it.
Bad.
So therefore I in range 1. Let's see how many of these? 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? So let's do it 10 per 11.
Oh yeah.
And then if check I equals 1,
Why
then return I, right?
Why is it double equal?
It means to check, okay? It's not a sign. When you want to check, it's double equal, okay? Let's see. Find the bad 1. So it should give me what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? I hope you will give me the 6. Yes. And then let's do this find version back 2, okay? Define find back 2. So left, right equals 1, and then the upper bound is 10, right? Because there are 10 elements in the apple, yeah? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
When you said
So-
flying bad 2, I thought you said flying back.
Okay. Look, mid equals what?
Equals left and right divided by 2.
Yeah, integer divide using 2 forward slash, yeah? If check mid is 1, so where is the answer? Left hand side or right hand side?
Okay, left.
Yeah, left, so then what?
Return?
No.
Left.
It's in the left hand side, so we need to change the left or right boundary.
Right.
Right boundary equals what?
Mid.
Mid minus 1, yeah? You need to make it smaller. Else what? Left.
Left equals mid that 1.
Okay, and then in this case, when this.
Return left.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. It should give me. It should give me what?
12.
No, 6. We're done. Yeah, 6.
Then next one must be 666.
Yeah. So do you see it? This is the program, right?
Cat.
What's the complexity of the second version? Find back to.
A1. N again?
No.
A1.
You're just guessing. Why is 01? Obviously, it's not 01.
Right times left.
No, every time you cut into half, when it's binary search, when we talk about binary search, the complexity is what?
Left plus right.
We cut into half.
Left is
We cut into half. Every time we cut into half, like
divided by 2.
yeah, every time we divide it.
Left and right divided by 2.
No. Come on. There's only one n. There's no left or right. Left or right.
N.
No, it's not. ON is the first version.
I divided by 2.
When you cut into half, look. Remember, if there are 8 elements, we need 3 times to search it because 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So it's at most 3 times. Or what? Remember the power function. Power function is the same complexity as the power function a to the power of b. Remember? Remember we're talking about multiply the exponential. Timing is 100 times, but we only need to times it 4 or 5 times. Remember? It's much faster. Come on, give me the binary. When we talk about binary search, we talk about the complexity. Usually, it's in O log
N.
Log n. Come on, how high is it? Do you understand now? Yeah. Don't make a guess. Don't make a you need to understand.
I knew log n.
Yeah, log n. Okay, got it.
Then why do you write it?
Oh, I mean, okay.
Okay.
Okay, good job today. Turn on the lights and then you can do a little bit dancing.